Now, I will let you know how to make the survey lines into coordinates, because here you still have it as shapefile. So the way to do that is actually you can go to your plugins, and the thing that you need to install is called MMQGIS. You already see that in mine because I already have it. So you want to install MMQGIS, this one. So you want to install this plugin, okay? When you have installed this plugin, you can restart your QGIS, and then you can select the area or the line that you would like um, to convert into points, because you will need the starting point and the end point of each of the survey line. So after you select it, you go to MMQGIS, and then you would click modify and convert geometry type, okay? So MMQGIS, modify, and then convert geometry type. So you want to make the survey line into, for example, you want it to have as nodes, okay? So I would suggest, yeah, probably the nodes. And then you want to save it into your folder as well. So you go to your folder, okay, and then you put survey plan and then survey points, for example. And you save it. Let's see if it works. Yeah, so it works. So you already know where your nodes are, okay? And just double check if there are any nodes that are double, yeah? So for example, I think I see some double nodes in here. So you want to just, you can edit it and you can remove that node, for example. You can select this one as well. Then you can just press delete, actually. It's the easier one. And is there any other doubles? Okay. Okay, you've got some double in here as well. So you want just to remove one of them. You can, oh, actually it's because we've got two lines in here. Yeah. So yeah, I will just choose one of them basically because they're the same. I'm going to remove this one. Why is it so hard? Okay, I need to click it, sorry. Yeah, and then delete. That's it. So you save it, and then you've got all the points that you need, okay? So that's kind of how you do it in here. And you can actually edit it first. So you can right click and open your attribute table because you, yeah, that's it. So you want this to be your main survey lines, right? But these ones are not. So the way to do it is you can select several features again. So these are the cross lines, right? So you go to your attribute table again, and then those selected ones, so you can just delete the time because you don't need it, right? So you can delete time, but you can select just the selected features, okay? And then you can add a new field. We're going to name the field line type, yeah? And then you can put text in there. Again, if text is just put 80, okay? And then I'm going to name them as CL or cross lines, okay? So put CL for everything, okay? And then you save it. So the others, you can show all features and then you can select the line types. So the other features that are not CL, then they're going to be your ML or your main line. So you can copy it. I think you can, not sure. No, actually, I don't think. I think you can. You should be able to. Yeah, for now, actually you can do it. So for example, I will select everything in here, okay? For now, okay? So I think you can do field calculator and then you put main, for example, here, okay? And then you update existing field in line type, okay? Okay, that's how you do it. So you go to field calculator again, update existing field, line type, and then you put ML. Don't forget to put the apostrophe, otherwise you won't be able to have it. Okay, so you have everything in here, and then you save it. Okay, and then you can also calculate your longitude and latitude. So you add another line. You add another attribute. You create the new field. You will say this as long, for example, and you want it to be a decimal number with maybe I don't know, maybe I'll put 20 and the precision would be 10. It's a bit much, but it's fine. So you want to go to geometry and then you will choose X. That's your longitude, okay? So you click OK. Oh, I need to select everything. Okay, sorry. So just update the field again. Then it's going to be X, okay? Okay, that's your longitude. And then you can add your latitude. It's going to be decimal number again. So you add 20 and 10, then you look for Y in here. Okay, so that's your Y, and that's it. So you've got your longitude and your latitude. So you save it, and then you unclick it, and then just close it. Now you can save as, yeah, and then you can save it as a CSV, so you can have your data. And you can save it as, well, you have your shape file already, so you don't need it. So you browse, you go to your survey plan and just say survey points. Okay, just put WGS84 in there for now. And then I think you just leave everything in here. Separator would be comma and then okay. And then you can check into your document. Okay, so we'll go to the folder where I was working in, practical, and then survey plan. Then you've got your survey points, so you can right click and open it with Notepad or Excel is fine as well. Then you will have all your data in here, okay? So that's your longitude and that's your latitude. And you can also open it in Excel, just double click, yeah. It will take some time, but basically you can open it and then that's it. Yeah, just click read only and then that's it. You've got your main lines, you've got your cross lines, and then you've got your longitude and latitude. And actually you can always name it. Yeah, so in your QGIS, you can name, maybe this one is ML1, ML2, ML3, it's up to you. That's how you export your coordinates from QGIS.